Okay, so now we're going to show you how to thread up your sewing machine. First up, you need to put your roller thread up the top on the spool. Please make sure you take off the stopper. And once again, making sure that your roller thread comes from underneath and comes upwards in this direction before putting your stopper back on. Now, really nice and simple, we need to follow the numbers, starting over to the left-hand side at number 1, and it's showing that we need to put the thread underneath the notch here. And we'll see it's going to follow down this pathway. So we've now come down through this gap following the arrow number 2 all the way down to where we see number 3, and it's a U-turn. So I'm going to loop the bottom of my thread back up through here, up through the upper looper. So we need to go around again and back down as per this picture. Once again, going straight down to the bottom of the machine until we get to step 5, which is just above the needle here. You'll see a thin metal plate. We're just going in behind that with our thread and back out. The final step now is threading the end of the thread through the eye of the needle. Please make sure that you've used some sharp scissors to get rid of any fluffy bits off the end of your needle. If you hold the thread close to the end, you'll find it's easy to go through the eye of the needle instead of bending or anything if I was to hold it further back and try to do it. Now that I've threaded the end of the thread through the eye of the needle, the last step I need to do is take this thread through the slit on the foot here, so it goes underneath, and just leave it to the back of the machine. My final step is now adding in my bobbin. You'll notice a black button here that I need to slide to the right. This pops up our clear cover. I take my bobbin, and with the thread coming in an anti-clockwise direction, place it down. I then need to, as per the directions on here, bring it back underneath this metal pin and up, and then around the edge of this plastic plate. And to the corner to the right, and it will actually trim my thread for me. Now return the plastic cover, and I'm now ready to start sewing.